I've been thinking a lot about the present perfect tense lately. It's one of those grammatical structures that can really elevate your English, especially when you want to talk about experiences or actions without pinning them down to a specific time. It's like saying, I've traveled to Europe, instead of I traveled to Europe in 2019. The first sentence leaves the door open for more conversation, while the second one feels a bit more closed off, doesn't it? The present perfect is all about connections. It links the past with the present. When I say, I've seen that movie, it implies that my experience of watching that movie is relevant right now. Maybe I'm discussing it with friends, or perhaps it's a recommendation. It's a way to share experiences without getting bogged down in the details of when they happened. Think about it. When you're chatting with someone and they ask if you've ever tried sushi, you can respond with, I've tried sushi. This doesn't just tell them you've had sushi, it opens up a whole conversation. You can share your thoughts on it, talk about your favorite rolls, or even recount a funny story about your first sushi experience. It's all about making connections and keeping the dialogue flowing. Another great aspect of the present perfect is how it can express ongoing situations. For instance, if I say, I've lived in this city for 5 years, it highlights not just the fact that I've lived here, but that I'm still living here. It creates a sense of continuity. It's like saying, this is part of my life now. And let's not forget about accomplishments. When I say, I've completed my degree, it's not just about the past, it's about the achievement that shapes my present. It shows that I've reached a milestone that influences my current opportunities and choices. Using the present perfect can also convey a sense of urgency or relevance. If I mention, I've just finished my project, it indicates that I'm ready to discuss it now. It's fresh, it's immediate, and it invites the listener to engage with me about something that's currently significant. So, when you're speaking or writing, think about how the present perfect can enhance your communication. It's a powerful tool that allows you to express experiences, ongoing situations, and achievements without getting tied down to specific times. It keeps the conversation dynamic and engaging. Next time you're in a conversation, try to incorporate the present perfect. You might find that it not only enriches your language, but also makes your interactions more interesting. After all, who doesn't love a good story that connects the past with the present?